I got asked an interesting question this week. If you had to make $100,000 from zero as fast as you possibly could, what would you do? And I thought, why not make a video showing you step by step exactly what I would do, so you can learn, copy, and then just do what I would do. Which is why today I'm gonna show you exactly what I would do to make $100,000 as quickly as possible, even if I was starting from nothing. What's funny is I actually used this exact roadmap to make $100,000 in only 30 days just a few months ago. So you're going to learn the secrets that make it possible for anyone to make $100,000 fast, and I'm gonna show you step by step exactly what I would do. I hope you're as excited for this one as I am, so let's dive in. So the first decision you have to make when it comes to making money is, should I start a business or get a job? The reality is, being an employee and getting a 9-to-5 job isn't as bad as what the online gurus make it seem like, especially if you're playing the long game and know that the real reason that you're there is to learn and practice valuable skills while at the same time being paid to do it. But since we're trying to get to $100,000 as quickly as possible, we have to accept that this is going to be virtually impossible as an employee. And even in a perfect world where you already had a set of valuable and in-demand skills, you're still probably going to take at least a year to do this. So that leaves us with only one option: to start a business. Now, thanks to years of conditioning from the school system and well-meaning parents and friends and society in general, most people think of starting a business as complicated and risky, really hard. But can I tell you a secret as someone who has started and scaled multiple 7-figure businesses? I can't see you right now, but I'm going to assume you're nodding your head yes. Or maybe I can see you. Anyway, the truth is that you can start a business that is simple, low risk, and easy. It all depends on which type of business you start, but we'll talk more about that in just a second. But first, what do you actually need in order to start a business? Well, my friend, it's actually much simpler than you think. You see, to start a business, you really only need two things. First, you need something to sell. We call this the offer. And second, you need some way of getting your offer in front of your target market. We call this traffic. No, not that kind of traffic. This kind of traffic.
Fast lane when I pass in the street, bag of money in the passenger seat.
So now let me show you the exact offer and traffic source that I've used and would use again if I had to make $100,000 as quickly as possible. To make a lot of money very quickly, you need an offer that is truly valuable and irresistible to your customers, while at the same time being simple and easy in order to fulfill and deliver. Because when you get this right, it means you can charge a lot of money, do way less work, and still have incredibly happy customers. So right away, just with that one simple rule, it knocks out a lot of popular business models you hear about on YouTube these days, like Amazon FBA and dropshipping and affiliate marketing. Because while all of those businesses do make money, they also require you to sell a whole lot of units. And the profit margins here are typically very low because you've got to spend just an absolute fortune on buying and shipping and storing and fulfilling all of the products. Meaning it can take a long time to sell enough units in order to make enough profit, and it costs a lot of money up front in order to start this. For example, if you're selling something for say $20 and you've got a profit margin of 20% after cost of goods sold and after outsourcing third-party logistics to an external agency in order to handle inventory management and warehousing and fulfillment, well, this would mean that you would make $4 per sale, which means you'd need to sell 25,000 units in order to make $100,000. Is it doable? Sure. Is it fast, easy, fun, and profitable? Not really. So for that reason, if I had to make $100,000 as quickly as possible, I would start a service-based business, like a marketing agency. Instead of offering low-priced products with high fulfillment costs, like the other business models, with an agency, you're selling high-value services. And this means you can charge more, which therefore means you require way fewer customers in order to make $100,000. To make $100,000 with dropshipping, you would need to sell around 10,000 to 25,000 units. To make $100,000 with an agency, on the other hand, you would only need to sell around 40 to 50 units. And the best part is, thanks to the internet and to technology, you're able to offer these high-value internet marketing services to clients from all over the world and have them delivered and fulfilled incredibly quickly and very inexpensively, which means you get to keep more money in your pocket. So the next question then is, what is the exact service that I would offer with my agency? Well, like I already mentioned, in order to make a whole lot of money very quickly, you need to offer a service that is incredibly valuable to your customers while also being very cheap and easy and quick to fulfill. That, my friend, that's the secret. And one of, if not the greatest services to deliver, one that is both incredibly valuable to your customers and also relatively simple and easy to fulfill, is marketing. You see, there are over 33 million small businesses in the US alone, and 5 million new ones are started every single year, most of which have very bad marketing and look at marketing as some kind of chore, rather than the most magical, mystical, money-making marvel to have ever graced humanity. And because of this tragic and incredibly misinformed viewpoint, they're losing a ton of money from their crappy marketing. But this is great news for you, because you, my friend, can come in, implement some extremely simple marketing tools, and help them get more customers, more sales, and more revenue fast. And the more money that you make them, the more money that you're going to make in return, making this the ultimate win-win situation. Plus, thanks to the power of technology, you can fulfill these services in just a few simple clicks. Now, quick note here, this video is not sponsored, but I will put a link down in the descriptions below this video that's going to get you access to an extended free trial of the software, plus a whole bunch of other goodies, so you can check out everything that I'm about to show you risk-free. All right, let's cut back to the video. Some of the services you can and should offer are things like missed call text back, where with just one simple click, you can install a complete automation for your clients that allows them to automatically follow up with anyone who calls their business, saving them time and money from lost sales, and the frustration from knowing that their customers are just going to their competitors. Or how about helping your clients get more leads and customers and sales by improving their online reputation, essentially helping them to get more positive reviews, to read and reply to existing reviews, as well as to dispute negative reviews. Or perhaps my favorite service of all, and one of the fastest ways to get your agency clients a massive and near instant ROI on your service, is to use something called a list reactivation campaign. If you ever hear about an agency offering 50 new sales in the first week at no cost, or 100 sales in the first month guaranteed, the odds are good that they're using some kind of list reactivation campaign. And how it works is both simple and magical. You see, it's common understanding in business that the customers that are worth the absolute most to a business are those that have purchased from them before, because they already have that know, like, and trust factor and have proven this by actually making a purchase. Well, a list reactivation campaign capitalizes on this by marketing exclusively to them with some kind of shiny, new, incredibly irresistible offer in order to bring them back to the business and get them to purchase again. So you'll get your best results by focusing on existing customers first. But if you want to take it one step further, and I highly recommend you do, then you can also send a list reactivation campaign to your clients' leads, a list of people who have expressed interest but who may not have purchased yet. Send them the same or a similar kind of irresistible offer and watch those leads turn into paying customers for your clients, which makes you look like some kind of marketing genius. I mean, they make money, you make money, and the best part is you barely have to do any work at all. And this is why offering marketing services to small business owners is one of the best ways to make a ton of money very fast. So at this point, you may be wondering, wait a second, Adam, if this is so fast, so easy, and so profitable to do, why don't the business owners just do it themselves instead of hiring me and my agency? And to that, my friend, I say, because they don't want to. I mean, it's really that simple. To a business that's making potentially millions of dollars a year, it's simply not worth their time and energy to go out there and learn a brand new piece of software and a new strategy and tactics and manage and execute and send this campaign out. I mean, they'd much rather pay you a very pretty penny to have you manage all of this for them. So with that said, now all you have to do is find people who need these marketing services. And that leads us to traffic. Once you have a great offer, next, all you really need to get to 6, multi-6, even 7 figures is to just get that offer in front of more people. And there are countless ways to do this, including ads and content and billboards and flyers and email, and the list just goes on and on and on. But seeing as the goal here is to make $100,000 as fast as humanly possible, there's actually a much simpler path that I would take. So let me walk you through that now. To nail the traffic side of the equation, you need to do 3 things. First, you need to determine who your dream customers are. We call these your target market, or target audience, or ideal customer avatar, but they all basically mean the same thing, which is, what do your very best customers look like and all have in common? Next, you need to find out where they're located and where they spend their time, both online and offline. For example, what groups are they a part of? What videos or channels do they watch? What podcasts do they listen to? What social media sites do they use? And so on. And third, you need to use all of this information in order to get their attention, because it doesn't matter how good you or your agency or your offer is if nobody knows it exists. And with a marketing agency, this is super simple. Since our dream customers are small business owners, it's incredibly simple to find them and get their attention. For example, you could pick a small business niche like plumbing, solar, roofing, and so on. Then just go to Google Maps and type in a city, type in the niche you choose, let's say roofing, then just literally find their phone number and start calling businesses. And let me show you just how profitable this can be. If you make 100 calls a day, you can expect roughly 2% of them to turn into warm leads, which for an agency means that you've got them to book an appointment with you to talk about your services. From there, you can safely expect to close around 20% of those appointments into paying clients for your agency. So what this looks like is for 1,000 calls, well, you get 20 appointments and 4 new clients. To keep our math simple here, let's say your average monthly agency rate is $2,500 a month. Well, that means that 4 clients equals $10,000 and 40 clients equals $100,000. I've used this exact process to make $100,000 in 30 days, and if I had to make $100K in 30 days again, that's exactly what I would do. Now, I appreciate you might be thinking, what if I hate cold calling? To which I say, it's not my favorite strategy either. Despite being one of the fastest and arguably most effective ways to make a whole lot of money very quickly, it's actually not my preferred way to start and scale successful and wildly profitable agencies. So with that said, you also might be thinking, how do I set up these services? How do I pick the right niche? What do I say on these calls? And how do I actually get clients without cold calling? Well, my friend, I'm not just telling you about this business model in order to make a cool video. I really truly believe that starting a marketing agency is one of the simplest and fastest ways to make a whole ton of money, help a lot of people, and achieve a level of time, location, and financial freedom that most people only ever dream of. And this is why I created a whole new channel entirely dedicated to teaching you everything you need to start and scale a marketing agency of your very own. So if you're ready to make money as fast as possible, then go check out the channel by clicking on the screen over here, or check out the first link in the description below, and I'll see you there in just a second.